Hi, my name is Jonas and here I show you the Hailstorm 50 rackless luggage system. In this video we'll show you how to assemble and install the Hailstorm 50 on your motorbike. For installation you need a 4mm Allen key and a hammer. The Hailstorm 50 scope of delivery includes a structural centerpiece with EVA padding, a left and right outer bag with padding, a left and right inner bag, as well as 10 strap attachers, 8 nuts and bolts, and also 2 rear mounting straps, as well as 2 protective stickers. The Hailstorm 50 does not offer a width adjustment. Instead, the angle of the bags can be adjusted to match the geometry of your bike perfectly. This ensures optimal positioning and stability. Depending on the desired bag angle, you use different mounting holes on the structural centerpiece. The bag is pivoting around this hole. To determine which setting fits your motorcycle best, remove the EVA padding, place the drive-in nut on the pivoting hole and hammer it in. Take one bolt, insert the bolt from the inside of the bag, align the bags with the pivoting hole and loosely tighten bolts. Repeat this step on the other side. Before placing the bags on the bike, we recommend removing any rear grab rails for the best possible fit. Position the bags over the seat. If your bike has a rear fuel tank, align the refueling cutout accordingly. Press down the bags and check how the lower straps line up with a suitable mounting point on the bike. Once adjusted, check which hole of the structural centerpiece aligns with the hole of the bag. Separate the bags from the structural centerpiece and insert all drive-in nuts with the Velcro side of the structural centerpiece facing up. Use a hammer and a protective surface like a wooden board. Repeat this step on the other side. Reinstall the bags and tighten all the bolts evenly using a 4mm Allen key. Feed the rear camlock straps through the rear cutouts from the top. Ensure camlocks face upwards and toward the rear. Turn the structural centerpiece over, take the loop and thread it through the strap attacher. Now remove the 2 corresponding cutouts in the EVA padding. This ensures easy access in case you want to change your setup later. Attach the rear straps to the bike and feed them back through the cam locks. On this rack, the optimal setup is crossed straps. On other bikes or racks, the straps can also be routed straight. Secure the excess strap length using the Velcro strap keepers. To secure the system at the rear, you need solid mounting points. If your bike doesn't provide suitable tie-down points, you can use the separately available anchor point for Hailstorm. It allows a secure rear mounting when straps cannot be attached directly. You can find the anchor point mounting instructions via the QR code on its packaging or on our website on our YouTube channel. At the front, find a suitable mounting point for the lower straps. Feed the strap ends back through the cam locks. Try to keep the straps running straight from the CRR brackets. Secure excess strap length using the Velcro strap keepers again. To mount optional bags like a Sidekick 10 or 20 to the Hailstorm 50, take away the padding of the structural centerpiece. Take the 4 short straps that come with the Sidekick, loop in the strap attachers and thread them through the cutouts, and thread the strap end through the cam lock on top of the Sidekick. And don't forget to remove the padding cutout before you reapplying the EVA padding to the centerpiece. If you want to only ride with optional rock straps, you can mount them also to the structural centerpiece with the strap attachers. We have a variety of cutouts that allow you to run them horizontally or vertically. Do as you please. I hope we could help you with this video, and if you have questions, reach out to your local Enduristan partner or contact us directly. Have fun on the trails, guys!